Okay, one more time with my 1901 Singer model 29-4. I have removed the 1.5 amp electric motor and installed a Gearmotor actually that has an output of 52 RPM a minute. So this really runs the machine slowly and a lot more power, so it's a lot more easily controlled. I'm going to try to get around and get several shots of this so you can see how it was mounted. I had two holes originally that were drilled in the machine here and here, and I've just threaded those, and then I made a mount for the Gearmotor here out of a piece of 3-inch wide and an 1/8-inch thick plate steel, which I drilled these two holes in, and there's two holes behind the pulley as well to mount that motor with, and hopefully I can get a shot of that. You can see another one of the mounting screws here, and there's one on the other side I probably can't get a shot of, but anyway, this is a 3.5-inch pulley here that I got off eBay. And the pulley up here on the machine is a 5.5-inch. And so this further reduces the speed at which the machine turns. And I'll show you that here in a minute. I wanted to mention the O-ring drive belt here was purchased online from a company called McCaster Car. And you can always email me or message me and I could send you a link to their website. You can see my treadle control plugs in here just like it did with the 1.5 amp motor I had on here previously. And I have that wired down to the treadle. And I want to show you that because I've actually changed the treadle. If you can see the switch, the bolt here is just a stop so the pedal doesn't go too far. And the switch is a momentary switch that's in the normally open position. So all I have to do is step on the pedal. There is no control of the speed now with the machine. It's either on or it's off, but I'll show you how it works. In the on position, you can see it's a nice slow stitch. You can't make it go any faster, you can't make it go any slower. That's just the speed it has. And I really like that for what I'm doing, sewing patches on jackets and vests and doing some light leather repair. But the speed is really nice with that Gearmotor. Maybe you can see the stitch there. It does a really nice stitch, and the speed is nice and slow, so it's easily controlled. If you have any further questions or need some pictures, some still pictures of this setup, please feel free to message me and give me an email address so I can respond to you. Thank you.